Hello and welcome to City Trekker. My name's Adam and I will be your guide as we aim to find the right gear for the right task for you. And today we're going to do an unboxing of the iPad Air 4 and the Magic Keyboard. Let's check it out. We're going to start with the iPad Air 4, and this is the Space Gray 256 gigabytes. On the side we've got a convenient pull tab here. Oh, that's satisfying. Open this sucker up. Got a tab at the bottom to pick it up. The iPad Air is at the top. Wow, this is nice and light. This is exactly 1.0 pounds. And there's this little indentation here on the inside because of the camera, so that it's got a spot to go right there. On the inside, we've got our paperwork here. We'll pull that all out. So we've got iPad Air instructions, in case you don't know how to run an Apple iOS device. There's just some basics on here. A little sheet of paper with some copyright information. And then I think we got a sticker, right? Yep, here we go. 2 stickers, that's nice. The iPhones only get 1 sticker this year, so it's nice that we get 2 stickers with the iPad. And then we get a USB-C charging cable. This is USB-C on both ends, and the charging brick is USB-C. Fortunately, we get a charging brick with this. The iPhones don't get one, so I'll be using this for both my iPad and my iPhone. Okay, so let's put this stuff back, and we're gonna get into the iPad itself. So we have a tab at the bottom here that you rip open on the other side. Oh yeah. And here it is. Wow. We've got 1 camera and a microphone on the back of this. You don't have the LiDAR scanner or the additional camera like you do on the iPad Pro, but you do have the A14 Bionic chip, which will do faster single core processing than the iPad Pro, which is pretty impressive. No Face ID on this one. You've got the Touch ID at the top where the power button is, which honestly I prefer the Touch ID anyway. There are 2 stereo speakers on this, but you do have dual grills on both sides, and that way if your hand is covering up one, you'll get some additional audio through the top ones. Let's turn this on here. There we go. Oh, hello. Okay, let's get started with this. Don't look, I gotta type in my Wi-Fi here. It may or may not be pretty fly for a Wi-Fi. All right, it's activating the iPad now. All right, we're gonna set up the Touch ID. So I'm gonna slowly place my finger over the top of this. You wanna cover it in its entirety and slightly rotate your finger each time. This can be rather tedious, but it's worth it. So after you get a finger off your right hand, I recommend putting it in landscape mode and getting a finger off your left hand. All right. I'm gonna create my passcode. Siri wants us to greet her. Hey Siri. And Siri is ready. So the setup process is pretty fast, it only takes a few minutes. I'm gonna load my personal stuff onto this a little bit later. This feels great in the hand, I'm really looking forward to using this. Okay, let's get into the Magic Keyboard. And before we open this up, I'd like to ask you to triple click for me. Click the like button, subscribe button, and ring the bell to check out all of our future reviews. Thanks. So this also has a tab on the side. We're gonna lift this up. That didn't go so well. Whatever, we're into it. So we'll open this up, and here's our keyboard. We got a little tab here on the side. Ooh, this is heavy. All right, rip that off. Rigid. All right, inside we got this paperwork. All right, so we got our Magic Keyboard instructions, legal stuff. Do we get any stickers? No sticker? What? Well, this just feels really sturdy and durable. So there's 3 little metal connections right here, and that's what connects to the bottom of the iPad right there. I had not seen that before, so it's good to know that's how it connects. All right, let's try this. So Boom. The magnets just click right into place. I like this in landscape mode. You have access to your widgets. All right, we're gonna open up Notes and type. That's pretty cool. Oh man. And then you've got this trackpad. So this is not positioned quite as high as I would like. You know, when I do my laptop, I've got a laptop stand that I put it on. But just the option of having this when I'm quickly on the go and just pop it up and be able to type and answer emails and things, this is gonna be really convenient. And then it just packs up, boom, and you're ready to go. Now this is heavy, you know, this is almost as heavy as my 13-inch MacBook Pro, but just having the option for this is really solid, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. So that's our unboxing of the iPad Air 4 and the Magic Keyboard. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the like button below and subscribe to the channel to check out all of our future reviews. Thanks so much, and take care. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna give away this modern Dayfarer backpack in X50 Multicam Black, as well as this D-Made Bags DOP kit in the same material, and the Alpha 1.9er Recon 3. I've done reviews of both of these backpacks, and links to those are below. Thanks to all of you that support this channel. We couldn't do it without you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click below to do so you can be a part of this giveaway. Thanks so much.